what's so cool about manufacturing? We're at Metco Industries in St. Mary's, Pennsylvania, also known as the powdered metal capital of the world. Let's check it out.
So the press works as powder is fed into the feeder chute, the press goes to the fill position, and then the powder flows through the feeder chute into the die cavity, and the upper ram comes down and compacts the powder. Once the powder is compacted, the net shaped part is ejected out of the die. When a machine breaks here at Metco, we have a trained and talented maintenance staff that is dedicated to fixing our equipment. Here at Metco, we produce over 60 million pieces a year. Our press sizes range from 40 tons up to 750 tons in compaction.
There are about 180 employees between Metco and Pro Process. And you hear the words teamwork and collaboration get used a lot in this industry, but it's something that surely isn't taken for granted here. We have had over 1,000 safe days at both buildings right now, and a lot of people here have made a lot of sacrifices, worked a lot of overtime, and always have done what's best for the company. And it really is a special group of people here. Put them up against anybody else in this industry.
Here at Metco Industries and Pro Process, our customers continue to tighten up the tolerances of our parts. And with the tighter tolerances, we need to purchase higher grade measuring equipment. And you can see in our quality lab, we have various measuring instruments.
Metco Industries produces parts and components for automotive, construction equipment, lawn and garden, recreational vehicles, and healthcare industries. They make parts for major companies like John Deere, Black & Decker, and Bobcat.